What is the definition of computer? It is a high-speed electronic device which is capable of performing arithmetical and logical operations. It accepts data as an input from user and gives result by output. Microsoft Office does not include Android. Ubuntu is which type of operating system? Open source. In MICR, C stands for character. The OSI reference model is divided into how many layers? 7 layers. When a shard is placed on this, it is much larger and there is no other data on it. Shard sheet. In Word, you can use styles to format your documents. This dialog box specifies or modifies the worksheet cell range containing data to be sorted. Sort source data. Which of the following is used by the browser to connect to the location of the internet resource? URL. This is the process of carrying out commands. Executing. The process of trading goods over the internet is known as e-commerce. Information that comes from an external source and fed into computer software is called input. Which of the following can input graphical images and pictures for a computer? Scanner. Using output devices, one can view or print data. Which of the following categories would include a keyboard? Input device. Print preview command is used when you want to view how the document will appear when printed. The time for the actual data transfer after receiving the request for data from secondary storage is referred to as the disk. Access time. Why is the caps lock key referred to as a toggle key? Because its function goes back and forth every time it is pressed. Your position in the text is shown by a blinker. To reverse the effect of your first action in Word, use the undo command. A word gets selected by clicking it to select a word in Word. Twitch means 2 times. What happens when we try to delete the file from a floppy? The files get deleted and cannot be restored again. In Word, you can change space margins by dragging the margin boundaries on the ruler. The following computer's memory is characterized by low cost per bit storage. Secondary. Assembly language is low-level programming language. Universal building blocks are NAND nor gate. What type of keys are CTRL and Shift? Modifier. In Word, replace option is available on edit menu. The binary system is a number system to the base. Two means A option is correct answer. Which of the following is not an example of hardware? Interpreter. In Excel, this is a pre-recorded formula that provides a shortcut for complex calculations. Function. This is not a function category in Excel. Data series. On a CDRW you can read, write and rewrite information. To be able to boot the computer must have an operating system. The operating system that is self-contained in a device and resident in the ROM is embedded operating system. To make a copy of the current document on the disk, use the save as command. In the formula equal B1 oblique B2 plus B3, which of the following is the correct precedence? Division higher precedence than addition. Which of the following is not a term pertaining to the internet? Keyboard. If you change Windows 98 to Windows XP, you are actually performing upgrade. An educational institution would generally have the following in its domain name: .edu means B option is correct. What type of information system would be recognized by digital circuits? Binary system. In an email address, the symbol that is used to separate the user name and the domain name is embedded, means A option is correct answer. What is the name given to the memory which works on time sharing principle in order to create an illusion of infinite memory space? Virtual memory. Which device is used to control the cursor movement? Trackball. Which system is based on a set of symbols to represent numbers and a set of inductive rules to construct number from another? Floating system. What is the name given to a class of programmable unit used for machine automation which takes input in the form of numbers, letters and symbols? Numerical controls. What is the name given in order to maintain the results of formula typed in Excel sheet? Formula names. Name the special arrays created by user to find a value in a single row or column and match it with a value in the same position in another row or column. Lookup table. In a digital computer, which part consists of arithmetic logic unit, memory unit and the control unit? Central processing unit. Which device is used to reproduce drawings using pens that are attached to movable arms? Plotter.